Hi everyone, I booked $1,000 profit today. I opened these trades yesterday. If you want to see why I opened these trades and the reason why I booked them, let's talk about it. And I want to see what the market is doing today on the weekly and the daily price action with the technical tools that I'm going to use to do the technical analysis. And then the stocks that I am eyeing for the trades, or which kind of trades that we can do. So if you, without further ado, let's just jump right in. See, the SPY is trying to break this 660 price, which is the 200 moving average, and the support level is here, the 50-day moving average for the weekly chart. And if we break that, I would say we will be going to 664, and then we may want to see breaking that to go 675. But if we can't claim 660, the price that we're going to be seeing is going to be 640, then it's 632 area. So from this candle, I see that market is very uncertain. So I'm not trying to go into too many long positions. As you see, this is my long-term channel that comes all the way from 2008, and the price is trading in and out of this, trying to get in and out, and we might be going honestly all the way to 632 and actually 618 areas if the conditions are not fixed. And if we hold the rates longer than expected and the inflation goes high because of the oil prices is high. So, and let's look at the VIX. VIX is trading high between these levels. This is the levels. As long as the VIX is trading at these levels, it's just gonna like have these spikes over here, and that's when I open the trade and close them here. So this is what I do. So normally the way I trade is using the extrinsic value of the options, and I use the Theta DK in favor of myself and to get the premium value. But because the market is so uncertain, one of the components of the options value is the volatility. So during these times, it's amazing to use the volatility to capture the premium differences and make money through that. So let's look at Palantir first. As you see, the Palantir has been in a bullish movement, and it went into the Ichimoku cloud here, and it has been trading sideways to try to like break out of the 160 price. But so here yesterday, when the VIX went all the way down, all the way up to 27, the Palantir in the open went to 151.64. So I knew it was gonna be like in this price range, so I opened one leap option, and I sold two put options for May 15. The leap option today, when Palantir went all the way up to 160, was 10% in the morning, and the put options in the value of premium went up 20%. So I closed 10%, which will be like 300% for the month. And then for the put options, because it achieved 20% of the value, basically less than 20% of the time that I open, I close them. So let's see, it may just like be testing 155 here, and then the Ichimoku cloud is thinning is right here, and it may want to like, if it goes above the cloud, I will say it's gonna resume its regular Palantir parabolic movement. So that was one of the trades that I did. And the second one was my NVIDIA. NVIDIA was around 171 yesterday when volatility went high. I opened 2 put options for June. And then when NVIDIA reached 180 around here, I closed them for 20% profit. So NVIDIA has been basically trading sideways within this range for the last 6 months. This is what it does. It trades, sideways for like 6 months, and then it resumes its parabolic movement after that. So this is a great time to, trade put options when you sell put options, because you can use the theta in your... For NVIDIA, as I said, it consolidates for like 6 months, and then it goes its parabolic movement up after that. It's a great time to sell options because you can use the theta in your favor instead of theta going against you. That's what I do. And then once you see the confirmation that it's going to go parabolic, you can also trade leap options. So another thing for the market right now, the market has been ranging between 643 and 660 today. It almost touched 660. That's the 200 moving average for the daily price, for the daily chart. And for the weekly chart, the 50-day moving average is 640. So since we don't know yet what is going to go with the war, I feel like this is going to be the consolidation area. If it breaks 643, it could go to a 632. So I'll just be watching for that. So I'm not going into too much long positions, and I try to trade like minimal stocks in these times, that the stocks that I know is going to bear the uncertainty of the market at the moment. And how you know that? I just know that the more institutional interest a stock has, the less the sell-off is going to happen with that. So, and the stocks that I'm trading right now is NVIDIA and Palantir. And the stocks that I want to go in, I'm watching Micron Technologies, and it still has not found its bottom. I think around 640 area, 360 area and 340 area is could be the bottom right now. So we'll see about that. It's still trading above the Ichimoku cloud, long-term Ichimoku cloud. So these are my insights for today. Hope you enjoyed, and have a great and profitable week to you.